What's up guys, welcome to Backyard Kitchen Garden. Welcome to the new video guys. On this new video guys, we're going to be doing our drip irrigation system guys. So this drip irrigation system guys is made from a 1 liter bottle guys, and 2 pillar sticks, 4 rubber bands here, and we will be using our 2 wires here guys. So first things first guys, what you have to do guys is to apply your pillar sticks on your bottle guys. So we are going to apply this pillar stick on our bottle. Okay guys, we finally got it. So basically guys, these rubber bands here are for holding down the bottle, our bottle, so that when we tie our wires they don't separate. So right now guys, we are going to apply our wires. Okay, as you can see for yourself right now guys, we have a very stable pillar and bottle. So what we have to do right now guys is to make an opening for our water. This is where we pour our water guys. Then right now guys, we have to make a hole where our water will drip from. So what we have to do right now guys is to make sure that our hole is not big for our water to leak from. So something like this will be great. Okay, now that we are done with our drip irrigation system, guys, what we have to do right now, guys, is to test it. So I am going to pour my water here at the back. So what you have to do right now, guys, is to fill your bottle to the max here at the back end, and then voila, our bottle is dripping, guys. So what we have to do right now, guys, is to apply our drip irrigation system to our plant. As you can see for yourself, guys, our drip irrigation system is working correctly and perfectly. It is dripping, guys. Alright, guys, thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Your support is much appreciated. I will see you on the new video.